Hello everyone and welcome to My Natural Hair Delights. My name is Brittany Shine and today I'm going to show you how to keep your hair butters from melting, okay? So this can apply to you if you're making your homemade recipe or if you're shipping out products to your customers, okay? In response to a request that I have received from one of my viewers on YouTube, I've decided to make this video of how to keep your butters from melting. So if you're just making your own DIY hair butter, then what I would suggest is to add a wax such as Candelilla wax, carnauba wax, or beeswax, okay? And you can add 0.5 ounces up to 1 ounce. So no more than 1 ounce of wax per batch. That's what I would recommend. You can also add cocoa butter or kokum butter. Mango butter and shea butter is more of a soft butter. And so you want to add something more firm that's going to help your butter to maintain its solid state. Now, if you do find your butter to melt, then you would want to place it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour, and your butter will turn back into a solid texture, okay? So just keep that in mind. It is summertime, so in the summer heat, you definitely want to keep it away from direct sunlight because it will melt. Even if you add your wax and your kokum butter or cocoa butter, your butter will melt if it's placed in direct sunlight. However, if you're shipping your products and you're like, okay, I want to ship it to my customers, but I don't want it to melt, okay? Don't let that discourage you because there are some ways to prevent it from melting. And if it does melt, you want to slip in a thank you purchase. So thank you for your purchase slip. And then you just want to write out in a small paragraph stating, hey, thank you for your purchase. If your butter melts, place it into the refrigerator for 30 minutes to an hour, or however you want to word it, and your butter will turn back into a solid texture, okay? So if you are shipping out your products to your customers in the summertime, then what you will need is a dry ice pack. Always best to make sure that when you're shipping out hair butters or any type of product that easily melts, that you ship it out on the appropriate days to make sure that your customer receives it at the appropriate times, okay? So I would recommend ship out your butters on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays, okay? If you ship it out over the weekend, it may take a lot longer for your customer to receive your product and it will be disappointing. However, if the butter still melts, you always let your customer know. If your butter melts, place it into the refrigerator. Communication is key, okay? Another thing that you will need is a bubble mailer or a box, a bubble wrap. You will need a bubble wrap. This is a bubble mailer, so it's automatically insulated with the bubble wrap, so you won't need extra bubble wraps. You won't have to bubble wrap your hair butter if you have a bubble mailer. However, if you have a box, then you would want to use a bubble mailer just for extra protection. The last thing that you want to do is to make your customer expect a hair butter that's, you know, solid, that's fully firm, and then they get the product and they're like, what happened to my hair butter? And so you just want to communicate with your customers to let them know that butters are likely to melt in the hot summer heat. And if you have not yet purchased your Moringa Delight, you can order yours today at www.mynaturalhairdelight.com. This hair butter is packed with all natural ingredients, which includes sweet almond oil, avocado oil, moringa powder, fenugreek powder, candelilla wax, lemongrass essential oil, rosemary essential oil, grapefruit essential oil, mango butter, and cocoa butter. Okay, so you want to get yours today. And if you have not yet purchased your book, I Want My Hair Back, please order your copy today. This is going to help you to take care of your natural hair. This is a hair care book guide, a go-to guide to help you to take care of your natural hair. Okay, this is going to help you to maintain your hair, how to clip your ends, how to make your own shampoo, how to deep condition your hair. So you definitely want to order your copy today. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at My Natural Hair Delight. For more information about the Moringa Delight, you can visit our website at www.mynaturalhairdelight.com. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you all again soon. Bye-bye.